Hello, Hopscotchers! Welcome back to another episode of Game of the Day. In this series, we play your games, and at the very end of this video, we'll announce which game is the Game of the Day. First up, we have Crazy Cooking 1.3 by UltroGmr. In this game, you're working against the clock. You have a timer, and you have to add ingredients, the right ones, to your stew. If you're too slow, lose the game. You also have different levels from easy all the way up to challenger level, and it gets faster and faster as you go on. I tried playing the easy level and had a lot of fun with it. You should all check this one out and try out your cooking skills. Thank you so much, UltroGmr, for making this crazy delicious game. Next, we have Pop Decorator by JessieCA. We're immediately welcomed by a screen filled with sprinkles and a very friendly, happy cake pop. Once you start the game, you have all of these options to decorate your cake pop with, from candy beads to sprinkles, chocolate chips, peanut butter, edible glitter, vanilla icing, every flavor imaginable, and you could remix your cake pop to share with your friends. It also gives you prompts at the bottom on what to make. Try this out and make a cake pop for your friends. Thank you so much, JessieCA, for coding this wonderful game. Next, we have Jetpack Bearride by TheDeliciousOrange. In this game, you're able to make your bear fly by pressing the screen. Your goal is to last as long as possible without hitting any of the platforms and obstacles. You're also given red warning signs on the right hand of your screen in advance to try and avoid all these obstacles, and it gets progressively faster and faster as the game goes on. Have fun, try and beat your high score. Shout out to TheDeliciousOrange for coding this adventurous and action-filled game. Next, we have Life Game by Tense Walrus 3117. This game is a life simulator, and you could see as your character goes to the park, your money depletes, but your happiness increases. And in this game, when you go to your job, your money increases, but in this case, Mr. Mustache is not happy with this particular job, so his happiness goes down as a result. Try and find your balance in this game of life. Thank you, Tense Walrus, for coding this game. Last up, we have Teddy Bear Battle Royale by Waterboro 8416. It is also a remix of 50s Viper 1800s game. In this game, you have a bunch of different characters on the screen, and your goal is to stay alive as long as possible. And you have a tiny teddy bear that also could battle the other characters. There's so much hand-drawn art. Try to survive as long as possible in this action-filled game. Thank you, Waterboro 8416, for putting your teddy bear spin on an action game. And now, the moment we're all waiting for. Today's game of the day is Jetpack Bearride by TheDeliciousOrange. Shout out to all these amazing projects. We have a blast playing them. Go check them out in the Hopscotch app, and I'll leave the links to the projects in the description below. Keep on coding and sharing your projects. If you'd like to share a game of your own for us to play, or have a recommendation on any other games we should try, go ahead and visit our forum, and I'll leave the link in the description below. Alright, keep coding and happy hopscotching. See you next time!